Welcome back to Eat Studio. We're in Bangkok. You're probably all under quarantine, and you're at another session of At Home with Six Senses. I'm
Anna.
Jonathan.
Celia. Pru.
Oh, and we've got some snacks for you today. We're pretty sure that you're running out of ideas. You're going crazy. We've got 3 quick hits for you. We've got some popcorn, which you're going to make. We've got a maki roll, vegetarian maki roll, which I'm going to make. And the girls over here are going to make some amazing chocolate dipped fruits. Now, it's a race to the finish. Should we go for it?
We're in.
Let's make it. Okay.
We're in.
So please make your popcorn.
Yep.
Please make your chocolate.
All right. Let's do it. So let's grab a little stick here. You want to take something? And we're just gonna dip.
Looks like a race.
We're gonna dip our chocolate. We want to win on it. Let's go.
We've got nutritional yeast being dipped in here. Amazing flavors for the adults. Maybe there's a little bit of truffle salt if you want it. How did you cook it? You didn't cook it, right? Mum cooked it for you, right? Yeah. With olive oil. What's over here?
So we've got some chocolate that was just melted, nice and easy. And we're putting all kinds of fun toppings on. So we've got some toasted hazelnuts, crushed toasted coconut.
What's that stuff? Toasted coconut?
And some bee pollen. Do you want to put some bee pollen on top? Amazing.
And here in the middle, we're making a maki roll. And so just the very quick and easy. You could put avocado in here, herbs in here. You could put a little nutritional yeast in there if the kids like it. And then they can actually make it at home and roll. And then once you do that, you just bring it up like this. You can get these mats, they're only $1.50. You do this, and everybody loves to make a maki roll at home, and it becomes this really, really fun snack. So we're gonna leave it there.
So good.
This was another session, family session of At Home with Six Senses.